Hello, welcome back. In today's video I will show you how to secure your website with a free SSL certificate. Broadly, there are three types of SSL certificates: Extended, Organization and Domain Validation SSL certificates. In this site we'll be using domain validation. This is the most basic form of an SSL certificate. Your right to use the domain name will be assessed. Users or visitors will be able to see information about the encryption. Details about your organization are not shared. Let's get started. The easiest way to get a free SSL certificate is to sign up for Cloudflare. I already have one. It's free to sign up and no credit card needed. Step 2. Click Add a Site button to configure your website/domain. Add your complete website URL and click on Scan. Cloudflare will now scan your website. Click on Continue Setup once the scan completes. Now select the free plan, then click Continue. Cloudflare will now scan your website. Once the scan is done, you will see an orange cloud next to your main domain. That means the configuration is correct. Mail and FTP are bypassed by Cloudflare and should show gray clouds. Make sure your main domain has an orange cloud next to it. If you see the primary domain with an orange cloud, then click on Continue. Step 3. Update your name servers. You need to point your name servers to Cloudflare. To do this you would have to log into your domain registrar account, and find the setting to change the name server. I'm using Hostinger as my domain registrar, all others domain registrars will work too. So, now you will need to copy this too and use them as your new name servers. Step 3. Update your name servers. You need to point your name servers to Cloudflare. To do this you would have to log into your domain registrar account, and find the setting to change the name server. Find the setting to change the name server, delete the existing entries, and add the DNS that Cloudflare provided. Once you have changed the name server, come back to Cloudflare and click on Continue. However, it may take up to 24 hours for the name servers to propagate. Step 4. Set up SSL for your website. While your name servers are being set up, you can get to SSL configuration. Click on Continue and you will be directed to the quick guide page. Step 5. Redirect traffic to HTTPS. This is the last step of the configuration. We will be setting up a page rule to redirect all traffic of your website to HTTPS. The configuration will take a few minutes to go through. Once done, you can then open any page on your website, and it will open on HTTPS. Wait. I almost forgot. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching and have a great day.